welcome all of you on behalf of Mizoram Fraternity, Mizoram University Fraternity. And I'm particularly thankful to Sri Kumar Vikram, Chief Editor and Joint Director, and his team for participating as many as 5 members from NBT. And for your generosity.
There is no big language, there is no small language. All languages are equal. They have their own tradition, they have their own heritage. They all have got something significant to give to the other society, to the other language, and then receive vice versa. This is our language policy.
Translation activity becomes something like a minor activity, even for the Mizo language. So let me talk about the status of Mizo. There is a literary association called the Mizo Writers Association. This is a well-known organization in Mizoram. We call it in a short form MWA. Every year, this association collects all translated works done into Mizo, and out of them, Translation Book Award is given to the best translation work.
When they are translated into another language, the number of readers will increase, and their values, the value of the books will become more important and even greater. So such translation is very, very important.